YouTubers. Well, you know, I did a video on my welding table here some time back. But you know, I decided to make a sheet metal bender that would fit right on the table. But unfortunately, my table is 36 inches by 24 inches. And I wanted the sheet metal bender to be able to bend at least 4-foot section of sheet metal. That way I could buy a 4x8 piece and go ahead and put it in here, and I could fold it if I needed to and bend it and whatnot. So the problem was that since I only have 36 inches, obviously I can't bend 48 inches. But what I've done is I went ahead and make the sheet metal bender to the proper size, which is 5 foot. And I went ahead and made some special clamps that I'll show you with some stills that I have. And you'll see how I did that. So that's the good thing about this bender. I haven't seen too many people do that. Let me go ahead and put the top on this and show you how it works. Okay, so I got the top screwed on this thing. If you looked at any of the YouTube videos, you'll know how that works out. But anyway, I'm just going to go ahead and grab the handle here, and we're going to go ahead and push this up here. Push it over. And we got a nice end going. Here you can see, got a nice little bend. I did all these bends on this sheet metal bender. It's a real good little bender. It works with pins on these handles so that I can remove them, and when I'm storing this unit out of the way, they won't be hanging down. This 1 inch by 1/8 inch square tubing that I put these handles into make a perfect fit for steel, which I've used for these handles. I also put them in a lathe and I knurled the ends of them. Put a couple little ridges. What a nice radius this has. Some people like it just a straight bend, but I like the radius on it myself. It's a good idea to have one of these ratchet wrenches to loosen and tighten these bolts. It makes it real fast and handy. It's the hardest thing to do are these hinges. The way I did mine, it ends up that you get a nice curve on the sheet metal that you bend. Yeah, I know everybody else has made one of these and they're all on YouTube. But this one's kind of special in the fact that it has a nice clamping mechanism underneath.